Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Wix, Shopify, and Squarespace. Each platform offers unique strengths for building your online presence. Wix provides incredible design freedom, perfect for creative sites and diverse businesses. Shopify is the go-to for serious online stores, offering powerful sales tools. Squarespace excels with its beautiful, minimalist templates, ideal for portfolios and visually rich content. Let's dive into what makes each one stand out. When it comes to ease of use, Wix shines with its highly flexible drag-and-drop editor, allowing precise control over every element. Squarespace, on the other hand, offers a more guided experience with its stunning, pre-designed templates, ensuring a sophisticated aesthetic with minimal effort. Shopify's interface is streamlined for e-commerce, making product management and store operations straightforward, even for beginners. Each platform prioritizes different aspects of user experience. For selling online, Shopify is a powerhouse, offering comprehensive features like advanced inventory management, diverse shipping options, and robust payment processing. Wix also provides solid e-commerce capabilities, perfect for small to medium-sized businesses looking to sell products or services directly from their site. Squarespace integrates online store functionality seamlessly with its elegant designs, making it ideal for showcasing products beautifully. Your choice depends on your specific selling needs and scale. Regarding pricing, Wix offers a free plan for basic use, with paid options starting around $17 monthly and e-commerce plans at $29. Shopify's basic plan typically begins at $29 per month, scaling up for larger businesses. Squarespace plans usually start at $16 monthly when billed annually. All three platforms provide reliable customer support through various channels, including help centers, email, and sometimes live chat, ensuring you get assistance when needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.